Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick video here. I kind of found this out when I was removing my graphics card because I was used to usually unscrewing these. And that's my dog. And this is the graphics card. It's a more old, lower end GPU. This isn't really a gaming computer, but this will still stand for anyone who has a case with any kind of toolless building, whatever. I can't think of the name right now. And let's see where the motherboard is. Here, this computer. Yeah, it's pretty old, but this is where your graphics card will go. And I was trying to find the screws, and I couldn't find it. I was looking everywhere, and right under this metal thing is a little clip, okay? And of course you have to support these metal holders, I guess. But I know a lot of you might. I thought I'd have to unscrew something. I actually unscrewed 2 bolts that are in here. In reality, you could have just unclipped this. And actually, here, this and this, I unscrewed them. It just made the whole thing fall out. So, I mean, it worked that way too, but for those of you that are wondering about this, once you've got that done, you can move this. Okay, well, whatever. I don't want to remove it. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to get it back in. But yeah. Let's see. After that, you can put your graphics card. Now, this is how I have the computer, so I can't. I don't have anything to put in there. And these openings, they'll never be closed unless I put my GPU in there. And then you can just insert it. I'm looking at the screen at the same time. And of course, you'll have your motherboard there. You guys can see all the dust here. This is a very old computer. This is a Dell RX something. What is it? Dell. One sec. It's a Dell Optiplex GX620, and this is my Acer 5560, and I have 2 of these guys. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I know a lot of you might know this already, but just in case you didn't, it's a little clip. Just get that guy and you're good. And of course, once you do, you're going to want to make sure you can put it right back. Otherwise, your graphics card could slide out. Well, alright, hang on one sec. We're having some technical difficulties. There we go. Oh, okay, a little crooked. So, now I have a graphics card and a case, and that's all you need for games.